Alright, it's day one. Everybody got in last night, had a great group dinner, and this morning we're up and getting ready to go out for our first day of photographing the bears, and we're headed up to Brooks Falls. We usually go to Brooks the first day because it's a great introduction to the world of the bears. It's a little bit of a curated experience in that it's a camp. There's a lot of park rangers. There's pathways to walk. There's viewing platforms that have been built. So it's a great way to start to feel being in this environment.
There's another one out there to the left too.
Looking at seals. Hang out for a little bit. There's a bear right beside you.
Yeah, we see him.
Well, here we are on day 3 of the workshop, and we have flown up to a lake, and we're going to raft down a river, stopping along the way to photograph bears. And it's been a phenomenal workshop so far. Had a lot of great encounters. Yesterday we had a sow and 2 cubs walk, I don't know, 20 yards from us down the shoreline. We retreated out into the water, and they just kept along the shoreline, and great encounter, absolutely great encounter. You know, we have overcast conditions today, which is perfect, so we don't have a lot of contrasting light. And yeah, couldn't ask for a better day, so let's see what happens.
Far down, then the bear's walking past.
So we just got done with a really amazing encounter. We saw a mom with 3 cubs and one of them was white. And it was a beautiful, beautiful experience, one that I couldn't imagine. And we were walking down the river, right on the riverbank to a river right, and our guide Tanner called my name, and I looked up to my right, and 10 feet away there's the face of a bear coming out of the grass. So, you know, it was an adrenaline-filled half an hour right there.
Oh no! Oh, you go.
Go back.
Go back.
Running.
So what do you think, Ron?
All sorts of things, so many things.
We had a good day. You spent the day at camp, so,
yeah.
you know.
I had a lot to work on here, but they got out there, they got some great pictures for everybody. And
Ron built us a prototype fire and
a couple of them.
Couple of prototypes.
Couple of prototypes, yeah.
Went out really well, so it was all good. I can't thank this boy enough. He's good. That was the end of day 5. We floated down from Kulik Lake, down the river, had tons of bear encounters. Again, probably another day where we saw 100 or so bears. From little cubs, we saw the white little cubs. Lots of lunging and fishing and diving and all sorts of great activities and interactions today. So just another spectacular day out here in Alaska. I'm really happy that we came out, and you know, it was cold. It snowed overnight up here and it was probably about 35 when we landed this morning. So it's been a little bit chilly here. The season is a couple of weeks early in coming, but that's okay. At lunch we stopped on a gravel bar and had lunch on a gravel bar, photographed bears, and there one of the guides started a fire, so we had a wonderful fire at lunch to kind of warm our bones, and some hot coffee and hot chocolate and tea and whatever else have you. And yeah, it was just an outstanding day, another great day in Alaska.